So this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to make money online doing affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in making money online and quitting your 9-to-5 job or just making passive income online, check out my free course down below. It's completely free. Just click on that link down in the description to check that out. So what I'm going to show you here, this is a training course by Chris Derenberger, and it's called AI Affiliate Suite. And this training course is designed to show you how to use ChatGPT to create articles, review articles for any product out there that you may be doing an affiliate review for. So, and the reason why I'm recommending this is because he has a prompt, and that prompt is just utterly amazing when it comes to ranking these things. I'm not sure exactly what the power is within that prompt, but that prompt does help in ranking. It creates amazing content. You can use this with ChatGPT 3.5. You can use it with ChatGPT 4. So it doesn't matter which one you use. Obviously, ChatGPT 4, you have to have a subscription to do, but ChatGPT 3.5, you can do for free. You could do it with either one. And obviously, ChatGPT 4 is going to give you a little bit of better results, but you can do it with either or. So I'm going to get into this real quick, and I just want to let you know that there is a way to automate this. So you stick around to the end. I'm going to show you a way that you can 100% automate this whole thing that he's showing you how to do. So just stick with me, and I'll show you how to do that at the end. So this is the actual training area, and I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. And in here, he's going to, the first one is the future of affiliate marketing, and he's going to show you how, just going through and just telling you how AI is going to play a role in affiliate marketing in the future and how it is right now. And here's some of the recent product reviews that ChatGPT came up with that are ranking his content. This content is ranking, and this is from, looks like his Google account. So this is showing you what his products are ranking for here. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the videos. If you're a newbie, this is great for you. This is going to be really, really good. And let me go ahead and show you what's going on here. So first one is exploring AI tools. It's going to show you all the tools that he uses for AI and how that plays a part in what he's teaching in this course. He's going to show you how to get web hosting. Now, let me tell you, if you're doing a basic site and you don't want to bother with web hosting or paying for web hosting, you don't know what you're doing, go to WordPress.com and create an account. I would still recommend that you connect a domain name to that. But if you go to WordPress.com, you just do some basic stuff, just post, get the basic template and basic theme, and not putting any fancy plugins in there, then that's all you need. You just need to connect your domain name to it. WordPress.com. But if you're doing something a little more in depth, you want web hosting if you don't have web hosting already. If you do have web hosting, you're good. So the next one is picking a domain name. He's actually going to show you how to use ChatGPT to pick a domain name. He's going to show you how to install WordPress if you don't know how to do that. He's going to show you the WordPress settings that you need to use. He's going to show you how to set up WordPress categories, how to create website pages, creating informational posts. Okay, this is where it gets good. So under creating informational posts, he's going to have a really long, in-depth prompt that you can just copy and paste straight into ChatGPT. And along with that prompt, you'll just go to any sales page or any product information page, and you'll just copy and paste, copy the information from that page and paste it into your prompt. It's that simple, and it writes the review for you. This is informational posts. He's going to show you about Google guidelines in this. Please do not skip this. because you need to know what Google is looking for with their product reviews. So make sure you watch that video, and he's going to give you a link to that as well. This is really what this course is all about, is creating product reviews with ChatGPT. And the software does it, the software doesn't. It's not software, but he's going to show you how to do it with a special prompt that he uses. And this prompt really is special. It gives you an SEO article about what the product's about, and it's an actual review. His stuff's ranking for this, so as long as it's not too competitive, should rank as well if you use the same prompt. Creating AI images. If you're wanting to create AI images for this, you can. Not required, of course. You can use product images in your articles if you want. I'm just going to show you how to submit a Google sitemap, how to install a done-for-you theme on WordPress, and how you can build authority after everything's all said and done. He's going to show you how you can build authority to your site. Now, I promised you a way that you can automate this. I'm going to show you how. So this course was created by Chris Derenberger. Chris Derenberger also came up with a software that does everything that AI Affiliate Suite teaches you how to do, but it does it automatically. It's an auto blogging software, and it specializes in affiliate marketing. It specializes in affiliate marketing reviews. This thing can even do Amazon reviews for you. You punch in an Amazon link, and it'll break down a whole review for you, put down product images and everything in there. It's really neat. And I'm going to show you that here. It's called AI WiseMind. And AI WiseMind will allow you to create these SEO optimized affiliate reviews and informational product or informational content to your heart's content, and it automatically posts it on WordPress. Only works on WordPress.org sites. It will not work on a WordPress.com site. So if you have WordPress.com, this will not work. So you have to have your own hosting, and you have to have your own domain name for this to work. But this works very well. You can go ahead and read this as your leisure, but it does everything that AI Affiliate Suite teaches you and more. So I'm going to scroll down here to the pricing, that we have an idea whether or not you want to take this for a spin or not. And I'm going to show you what I recommend here. So the first tier is $12 monthly. You can create 500 articles a month. The reason why you can create 500 articles a month with this is because it does not automatically post to your WordPress website. You have to manually copy and paste that. With that being said, it does not include anything Amazon. So you cannot do anything Amazon with this. So keep that in mind. The Essentials is $37 a month. You can create 100 articles a month. This is auto-blogged. 100 articles auto-blogged to your WordPress site, and it does include Amazon. And standard $67 a month, you can create 250 articles. $97 a month, you can create 500 articles. $197 a month, you can create 1,250 articles. And $297 a month, you can create 3,000 articles every single month. And this is great if you want to do, if you're doing commercially for clients. You can set up your client's website in here, and you can tell your client, hey, I'm going to do some product reviews for you. I'll do a product review every day for a month. You know, here's what I'm going to charge you. And this system does it all. System will do it all. So you can just set this up, and the system will do it all for a month. So it's really cool. And if you're looking for something that does it automatically, automatic product reviews, so you can do affiliate marketing with ChatGPT, then you could do this. Does connect to your OpenAI API key. So each article that it does post, it will cost a small fee on your OpenAI account. However, If you're using ChatGPT 3.5, the fees are minimal. It's only a few cents. If you're using ChatGPT 4, it's like 10 times that. So keep that in mind. You might only want to stick with 3.5. So I hope this video was helpful to you in how to use ChatGPT for affiliate marketing. You can always write these yourself if you don't want to use the AI affiliate suite. AI affiliate suite's like $12, I think, $12.95. So this is a great way to use ChatGPT to your advantage when you're doing product reviews. And this can be product review for any product out there, anything. So make sure you pick that up if you're interested. So all the links are down below in the description. If you enjoyed this video, click the like down below. Also subscribe to the channel, as I'll be doing more videos just like this soon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.